Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking care of yourself, helping your parents and doing your studies well. Welcome back in your maths class 5th, subject mathematics, chapter 2. Name of the chapter is Basic Geometrical Concepts and it is our lecture number 3. And today's subtopics are first of all we will do exercise 2A. Question number 8, 9 and 10. Along with this, we will study about angle and its types. Okay. Also, we will do exercise 2B. Question 1, A to E parts. So let's start with exercise 2A. Question number 8. Mark 3 points on a piece of paper. Three points you have to mark. On a piece of paper. In such a way that they are not in a line. Okay. Join them. Taking 2 points at a time. This is a condition. 2 points at a time. Means we have to mark 3 points on a paper and then we can join 2 points at a time, not more than 2. How many? Line segments have you drawn? How many line segments have you drawn? What figure? Have you got? Okay, so this is the question. We have to mark 3 points. Let's start. जैसा जैसा आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया गया you will follow that same. So what is it? Mark 3 points on a piece of paper. 1. See, it should be drawn with a sharp pencil. Okay. 1. Condition is these are not in a line. So 1, 2, Okay. Join them taking 2 points at a time. Now we will join taking 2 points at a time. First and second point. Then second and third point. These points are visible or I have to zoom? Let me zoom it. Now see. First and second we have joined. Now second and third. And now third and first. Okay. How many line segments have you drawn? How many? 1, 2 and 3. 3 line segments we have drawn. And what figure have you got? It is a triangle. Now give the answer of 2 questions. How many line segments? Line segments is equal to 3. Name of the figure? It is a is equal to triangle. Okay. Having 3 sides and 3 angles is known as triangle. Now the next question is question number 9. Construct line segments AB and CD of lengths 3.5 centimeter and 4.2 centimeter respectively. Respectively means first segment and first length, second segment and second length. We can't interchange. AB is 3.5 centimeter and CD is 4.2 centimeter. Okay. Construct a line segment PQ whose length is the sum of AB and CD. Have you understood the question? The question says we have to construct 2 line segments AB and CD. Then after that we have to draw one more line segment named as PQ. And what is the length of PQ? It is not given. It is asked whose length is the sum of AB and CD. Means AB और CD को जब हम add कर देंगे तो जो total आएगा that length is the length of line segment PQ. Understood? Now first of all we will mark the point A and AB is 3.5. So here 3.5. Another point. Join this. AB 3.5 centimeter. And now CD. How much? 4.2. Mark the point. Put 0 of the scale. 4 and after 2 that 2 small divisions. Mark the another point and now join. Its name is CD, 4.2 centimeter. Now 3.5 plus 4.2. 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. So what is the length of PQ? 7.7. O point, this P point. And now after 7, these bigger, a little big line is 7.5. Take 2 more divisions. This one, 7.7. Now join this. Name of this segment is PQ and length is 7.7 centimeter. Okay. Basically, in this question, you have to construct 3 line segments: AB, CD, and PQ. Now, the next question is question number 10. Construct a line segment name is given CD. Measurement is 3.8 centimeter long. Construct another segment AB whose length is twice as that of CD. Measure its length. So what we will do? First of all, we will draw a line segment CD 3.8 centimeter long. So first of all, 3.8 centimeter. Now you all know how to draw. So I am drawing it directly without zooming it. Okay. CD 3.8 centimeter. Construct another line segment AB whose length is twice of 3.8. That is 7.6. Twice means double. 3.8 multiplied to 7.6. So, whose length is twice that of CD. Now we will draw another line segment whose length is twice 7.6. Name is given to us AB. It is double of CD and it is asked now measure it. Measure it. 7.6. This measurement we have to write down because it is double of CD, but what is its length? 7.6 centimeter. Now move to the next subtopic, angle. What do you mean by angle? When two rays have a common end point. They form an angle. two rays. So we will draw any two rays having one common endpoint. So these are two rays, and this is a common endpoint. So it is named as common endpoint is B, and here common endpoint is O. Okay, and these another points are known as B and A. So name of this angle is BOA, or we can say AOB. Okay, if some another alphabet is written here in between, like X, so the third way is angle X. OB and OA, these are known as arms. क्या है ये? Arms angle के. And this O is known as vertex. Okay, beta. Now we will study about types of angles. Number 1, acute angle. You all know acute angle, an angle whose measure is, measure means नाप, less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Measure is less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. जिस एंगल का नाप 90 डिग्री से कम होगा, राइट? 90 degree straight angle, you know, 90 degree, you know, that is perpendicular. I will show you all the angles together so that you can recognize. Second is right angle. An angle whose measure is (90 degree) is called a right angle. What can be the example for that? Examples for acute angle: 40 degree, 75 degree, 88 degree, and so on. And here an angle whose measure is 90 degree is called a right angle. Okay. Third is obtuse angle. Obtuse, an angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Is called an obtuse angle मीन्स ऐसा एंगल जिसका मेजरमेंट 90 से तो ज़्यादा है बट 180 से कम है, दैट इज नोन एज obtuse angle. For example, 120 degree, 135 degree, 149 degree and so on. जो भी 180 से लेस हैं वो सारे 90 से अबव और 180 से लेस होंगे obtuse angle. And next is straight angle. Straight, as it is clear from the name, an angle whose measure is 180 degree is called a straight angle. Right, so these are 4 types of angles. Now look here, 60 degree it is written, so it is acute angle. 90 degree right angle. 120 degree, it is more than 90, less than 180, so it is obtuse angle. These are just examples. 60 degree, 120 degree examples. 90 degree, exact 90 degree is known as right angle, when we are making it exactly 90 degree. Similarly here, straight angle, when the measurement is 180 degree, not more than, not less than. Okay. In next lecture, I will tell you how to construct these angles. Now, exercise 2b. Classify the following angles into acute, obtuse, right, straight or zero angle. Zero angle, what is this? The angle whose measurement is 0 degree. Zero angle is not defined in the book, but let to zero angle, an angle whose measure is 0 degree is called a zero angle. Right. Now let's classify 35 degree. It is less than 90. So it is acute angle. 175 degree. It is more than 90. Less than 180. Obtuse. 90 degree. Right angle. 92 degree. Obtuse angle. 87 degree. It is less than 90, so it is acute. Got it? You have done A to E parts. Now it's time to take homework. Your homework is learn all the definitions. Done today means how we can define angle and types of angles. And 2, question number 1, F2J parts of exercise 2b. In book. Okay, you have to learn the definitions carefully and do practice also, written practice in practice notebook, and question 1 F2 J parts we will do in book, that is classify. Now we will do homework discussion of lecture 2. Here question number 2 and 3 were given in the homework. Question 2 is draw a ray, a line segment, a line. Draw a figure. It is again AB line segment, LM line, symbol is showing a line, PQ ray. So we will draw. First part is draw a ray. So you know how to draw a ray. This is a ray. Naming, you can take any name. A, B. It is ray. Then next part is a line segment. Line segment having two endpoints, P, Q. So we can say line segment PQ. Right. And third is a line. If we are putting arrow mark, this is a line. Name A, B. These are just points. Only to represent we have done like this. So it is line AB. Okay, beta. Now question number 3. 3 is again draw a line AB. It is given AB line segment. Next is given LM line, and next is given PQ ray. So we will draw AB. A, B. It is line, so we will put arrow mark. Names are given L, M. Beta, when name is given, you can't take the alphabets according to you. अगर आपको नेमिंग LM given है तो आपको LM ही ड्रॉ करनी है, right? And now ray. Next ray, its name is PQ. Q की तरफ बढ़ रही है ना, so put arrow mark here and here Q. P. Okay. यहाँ पे आप Q नहीं ले सकते हैं, Q इधर लेंगे आप, because it is going in the direction of Q. Next question was 6th question, B part. Draw a line segment 7 centimeter. You all know how to draw. Take first of all 1 point, put 0 of your scale and up to 7. So mark 1 point here on 7. Now join this and take any name, PR 7 centimeter. Okay. Next was question number 7, B part. AB was given 2.5 centimeter, CD 3.9 centimeter, and you have to construct a line segment CD minus AB. So first of all, we have to come to know what is a CD minus AB. CD 3.9 minus 2.5. Subtract this. 9 minus 5, 4. 3 minus 2, 1. It is your rough work. 3.9 minus 2.5. 9 minus 5, 4. 3 minus 2, 1. Now draw the line segment CD minus AB. That is 1.402 1.4. Very small line. After 1, 4 small divisions. This much. Okay. Naming is not given. You can write down any name. Measurement 1.4 centimeter. I hope you have got all the answers correct. If no, you will do correction work. Do carefully, do neatly this geometry work. Thank you and have a nice day.